Universal fit. Compatible with all automobiles, boats and devices equipped with a 12-volt power source. Circuit protection. Power relay safety protection and conversion circuit. Blade fuse protects the circuit when overcurrent or short circuit occurs. Illuminated switch. 3-pin on/off rocker switch with red indicator light when truing on, easy to turn on or off, long service life. 2 available leads. With 2 sets of light output connectors for dual lighting fixtures less than 300 W, the connection is more stable. Package include 1 by 10 feet wiring harness, 1x instructions. Product features: 10 feet extendable wiring harness, 1 power connector to light fixture, illuminated on/off rocker switch, easy to control the on or off of LED lights, 12 volts DC, 40A power relay, blade fuse, multiple safety protection. Note: maximum wattage 300 W, operating voltage 12 volts DC power. Please finish the installation by professionals or install the wiring harness under the guidance of professionals. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. A lot cheaper than getting wire, a relay, connectors, fuse, etc. Great durability, like the extra coating over the wires. Mounted the relays in a spot where they get totally soaked. They were sitting in water when I tested them out. They works great, so I'd say water resistant is an understatement. Overall great product.